broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All
Morning,
attendees are
guys.
in listen-only mode.
Dennis, good morning. Fellas, good morning. Can I get a sound check, please? Okay, good. Guys, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of Powell's testimony on Capitol Hill. This could turn out to be yet another sloppy session until Europe is gone. We are getting a little bit of a push up here on small buying, but if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. For all of you trials, actually, I sent out an email yesterday when we left the room, and this is for members as well with the TrendBot. When we left the room, I told you to look for the reversal. We got the reversal on the TrendBot. It did pass an evaluation yesterday. I sent that video out to each of you that are on trial, and I did do a daily email with the TrendBot. I have not turned the TrendBot on as of yet, but I have run the original bot, which is currently down $215 on gold and NASDAQ. Today being crude inventory, I will not run the crude bot today. I may elect to after inventory, but that'll be at 11. So good morning, Deepak. Day 2 of Powell's testimony. We probably will get a fairly crappy session once again, I would expect. Over the last 10 weeks, as you guys should be aware by now, we have had big trend days. In 8 of those 10 weeks, Thursday and Friday have been big trend days up. We'll see if that continues today. We have held a relatively important area on the ES at 93, though unless we get above 13 on the ES, we're not going anywhere. It's got to get above 13. If we get above 13, we'll probably start a squeeze up. In any event, we've gotten a much needed pullback. We have worked off overbought. We could come down a little bit lower, but NASDAQ is now approaching oversold, as is the ES. Next week I won't be here, obviously, after Monday, but next week is quarter end. So you can expect, if nothing else, I'm sure we'll bid next week for window dressing. And while today and tomorrow may not hold true for a parabolic move up again, I would be shocked if next week did not. Bank of England raised half a bip today. If you guys saw that, a little bit shocking. They were projecting to raise a quarter, but the inflation in the UK is far worse than it is here. In any event, good morning. Let me read the disclaimer, and we'll look at some charts. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Marco and Marco, good morning, and good morning to you both. Let's take a look at order flow first. Volume is heavy in the NASDAQ. 87,000 contracts have traded in the NASDAQ. Hang on, guys. Overnight inventory is slightly negative. 600 contracts at the moment. ES. Let's see here. Overnight inventory is fairly good. 175,000. I'm sorry, volume is good. Overnight inventory at almost 3,000 net sellers is short. Gold, volume's a little light. 800 net sellers in gold currently at the low of the day. Crude, and it is inventory day. There's a block trade, 60 contracts bought at 71.15. That's interesting. 91 buyer here. You've got a 254 seller. Volume is good, 63,000, almost 64,000 contracts, 2,400 net sellers. So overnight inventory is short. Bond yields, we're right at VWAP. Natural gas, which I haven't traded in a month of Sundays, or probably 2 months of Sundays. Volume is light. It is inventory day for natural gas. A couple of hundred net sellers. Nothing going on there. We'll take. Gold's got to come below 34 and then really 33. Below 33, gold's going to get slapped. A couple ticks. There it is, target one filled. Below 33 half, we're going to come 29. Crude looks like it could short into the low of the day, 83 and maybe 75. Massive resistance on crude at 71.25. If you like crude short, you can short crude. I had the short at 08, but you can probably short it here at 02 with a stop at 27. Anybody short crude? target one, maybe 91, 92. Come on down, Rat Dog. Let me look at crude on another chart. Look at crude on a 5-minute. I'm not watching NASDAQ, but if NASDAQ closes below 91, your target is 71 on the 10-minute. All right. Technically, we have a short now. We close below the cloud, but the stop is 13 on the NASDAQ. 95 with a 13. Could bounce back to 07. Another ugly pre-market, guys, ahead of Powell. I don't know what anybody thinks he's going to say differently than yesterday. All right. Bot's gone green, $60. What size Apex account is on the bot? 50. You got 10 handles in the NASDAQ. I still think crude is going to come down. NASDAQ, you could probably take target one about 80 from 95. I need this 2-minute bar to close about here. And we're 35, no, minute and a half. My apologies, minute and a half. My opinion is we're going to sell early. And then we'll get a rebound today. Next week again, end of quarter, window dressing. I would think that people start getting a little. Watch gold below what's target one on crude. I have as 92. Remember, it's inventory day. Monday was a holiday, so crude gold is going to completely break down. I think gold can come down to, you guys are going to shit on this one. I think we'll see 27. Targets hit and filled on freaking crude. Ba-boom. You don't even have to worry about first. Crude just got assassinated. There you go, fellas. Try to trade crude now down to $70.20 if you're holding a runner. Almost 100 tick trade if we get that target. They are selling the bejesus out of crude. I don't hear anything. They just sold 1,500 cars. A little bit of minor support at 70.40. Anybody still holding crude? You've made your day. This was an easy peasy trade. Massive resistance here. Trend line break here. Gone. 70.20 next target. That was an easy peasy trade. I'll be back, guys. We're off. A little bit of support coming up. Up to 1,700. No buyers yet. Buyers coming in now. SPY opened up right at support. SP what? All right, NASDAQ shorted on the bot. I don't much care for shorts at the low, but remember Powell again at 10. That's out. All right. Still no buyers. Small. Holding support here at 88. Failed. I like the long for a push above 93. So 94 long. There's 94. Target number 104. Come on, you dog. Man, just like yesterday, we get to these breaks and they don't break. Morning, Hubba. Here comes the push. There it is. All right, target hit. Target hit. Free trade now. Qs bouncing off that low at 330.36. They bounced a handle already. Trendbot took a trade with 5 contracts. Got to push. This gets above 22, it's going to go a ways. Above 22, this goes a ways. Come on. Got buyers. Pushing that 60-minute resistance. Come on, buyers, keep it going. This gets through that 24. This thing is off like a rocket. It goes 44. Come on, let's go. Got to get through 15, 16 first. Come on, pop this little area. Let's go. Small buyers. Got to get above 14, 15. If you took the 94, you have target 1 at 04. Come on, push. There we go. Let's push. It's fighting this hourly resistance. There we go. 15 is the problem. Above 15, this thing is going to 24. Above 24, it's going 40. There you go, $1,000 on the Trendbot. Come on. Keep buying them, baby. Choppy. Now it has 9 on, so I got to be uber careful here with 9. Here we go, 1,000, 1,100 we hit. Come on, 15-minute push. High of the move was 18. There we go. Come on, get above that swing high at 18. Down to 700 net sellers. Hit 1,200, 1,400. Set 930. Oh, man, I would have killed it at 3,200. All right, 2,200. This may go yet. 2,200 on that trade on the Trendbot. I saw it flash 3,200. We're through that 24. We're going up, baby. This is Q's. We held that daily support right at the open. Gap fill here. Spies languishing, filled the gap. almost 24.27. Fellas. Support's going to be 97. All right, I'm watching for a short. We could come back to 81. We're holding support. If we break below 95, we're going to start to sell. Yes, down 100. I'm sorry, NASDAQ down 100 contracts. Okay. First target's off on the bot. We're going to 44. Come on. Out. $30 is resistance. Small green delta. 44 is target if you're long. comes 44. All right, we're back to yesterday's close. We're starting a trend day again. Not on the ES. It's NASDAQ show right now, guys. We're going to fade Powell. If we can clear 44, we can trade to 75. I have Eric. Yeah, I have. The way that Hey, David. So yeah, I don't trade the Russell, Eric. I don't watch it. I have no interest in the Russell. CRM 215 calls if we get above 211.50. So I need about $800, $900, and this will be 2 days in a row on a past eval, but I need the reversal. Q's trading into resistance on the hourlies between here and 63.75. We could get a pullback here. A break above 80 takes us to 96 on the NASDAQ. We could pull back to 25. Some sellers showing up 300 in this 3-minute bar. Crude got that final target, fellas. Anybody that held? It's a 100-tick trade on crude. They're buying them back up on the NASDAQ. SPYs filled the gap, that lower gap, and can push 34.60, 30 to 35. If you guys wanted to try a small SPY long, I would buy in the monies 434s. NASDAQ bought them all back, guys. There's that 75 target I gave you. I can't even get in the damn trade. I got you guys in, but I can't get in. 105 on the hourlies. Support should be 44 yesterday's. All right, we're starting to turn over small sellers here, guys. I mean small. Initial support right here at 52. We should bounce. Fed's Bowman speaking at a policy summit. Mester also. We could pull back to 37. ES. All right, here's ES. This 15-minute bar closes above this 05. Your target is 13. Got to close above 05 on the 15-minute. Another long on the bot, the original. All right, we're slowing down. We could get a pullback here, guys. Come on, push. Got a second signal. Come on. 1,600 buyers. Target filled, new day high. There's the 80 target I was giving you guys on NQ coming. That's that 240-minute resistance right here. Anybody buy 434 calls on SPY? Anybody buy 434 SPY calls? Okay. Nice job. Nice job, Ed. Gold is going to short again on the bot. ES has to close 15-minute bar above 05. Target is 13. Another push. SPY, nobody took the damn calls. You are in the money. You're up about 22%. SPY. Short on gold bot. Target on SPY is 435.02. SPX 4375 calls. I'm going to move this off the screen because gold is usually pretty damn slow. Target one is 30.3. 105 if you're long, guys. 105. Missed this whole move. Anybody still holding from 94? It's almost a 100-handle trade. Anybody holding from 94? ES is long. Target is 13. Not Marcia, nice. ES. Target is 13 on the ES. If we cross ES, you got 3 running. Nice. 105 is the next level up. So think about taking some risk off right around 100. SPY almost to target. 435.02 is target 1. Nice job, Lori. Nice job. Come on, there it is, 35. Fucking huge on SPY. 70%. I didn't get first target, fellas. I wanted 02. Come on, give me that 2 cents. Rat bag. There's target 1 right there, 435.02. There it is. Target 1 hit and filled. Target 1 hit and filled. All right, now we've got to break above 435.05. Next target for me is 36.62. I mean, even Deepak's not taking trades. What is up with you guys? Thursday and Fridays, Trends Day, guys. 8 out of the last 10 weeks. Nice job, Mike. SPX first target. 43.68.69. 43.69 target 1. SPX. We're hit 95, backed off. If we flip below 72, we could get a small pullback. We could come back to 31. A lot of buyers. But I think it's apropos to fade Powell. No, I'm going to get another move up. I'll be short below 74, assuming it comes down there. Nice job, Prabhati. Nice job. Great job. I like SPY, fellas. We held the bottom of this channel. That's where we opened. We've pushed up for gap fill into resistance. Okay, out into resistance. If we can get an hourly close above 35.05, 36.69 is next level. Overbought on the 10-minute. We need a pullback, and we're into resistance on the hourly. I like the shorts here. I like the shorts. I'm going to be short 74. Out. No, I don't want that. Okay. I want to get, ideally like to get down to 55. And a break of 55, we get killed. Don't you do it. Buyers come right back in. They're using shorts now. Come on, get down here. You stink. $200 buyers come right back in at the break. God damn it. The hourlies are going to short unless they can cleanly move above 115, and I don't think they can. I'm going to sell it again, guys, at 74. Yeah, but the question is, I'm short. My stop is 98. The question, Eric, is did you have the gumption to take the trade? Did you buy the calls? Yeah, I don't trade ES calls. You're going to get me again. It's twice. Come on. Break below 72 and you get whacked. Come on. Below 72 and kill yourself. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Send in the sellers. I'll take one at 67. Got one off at 67. I'll take one off at 61. I'll take one off at 61. We have a trend bot trade. Flat. Target one only. Target one only. I'll sell it again though. I'll close this out here in a second, guys. I don't think hourlies can go much further. Come on down here. Get down here. All right. Just make a change to this. Bought ES calls at 06, target 113, hit and filled. If we break above 13, we're going to squeeze. We're going to squeeze. God dang, NASDAQ. Above 150, NASDAQ's going 192. SPX up 90%. Scale some. Scale some. Okay, Mike. Thank you, Eric. Man, this sucker still has jet fuel. Thursday and Friday, trend days. Thursdays and Fridays. It's crazy. God dang it. I missed my CRM trade above 211.50. Amazon smoking. Above 150, it's going to 192. Above 150, it's 192. We get above here, we're going 192. It's definitely going. I mean, they're just unadulterated buying today. SPY calls are up 160%. Up 115 on SPX. Next target on anybody long ES. Next target is 21. Next target is 21 on ES. Come on, push. Nice job, Mike. 80% on the runners. I don't know. I get my daily goal almost every day, Mimi. If this gets target, this has daily goal. Struggling here at this small resistance, just needs to push up through 38. This is going to break 50, fellas, in my opinion. I mean, the trend bot. I got it back on. I mean, I'm hoping for a reversal. At some point, I'll get the reversal. Might be 11:30, but come on, get this target. Let's go. Break that. Give me target. That'll give me daily goal on this bot. Almost. 140 buyers, losing buyers. We could get a pullback to 07, fellas. This could pull back to 07. Yeah, we're going to go negative delta in the candle. 3-minute bar. Negative delta. It's going to be down. Powell speaking. FOMC broadly feels it's appropriate to raise rates again this year, perhaps 2 times. Told you, I think we fade Powell. Just a reiteration of what he said yesterday. SPY pulling back. I got stopped out on the bot. Yeah. By 1 tick. Yep. 1 tick. There's some sellers creeping in. 07 is where I think we can come. SPY has a gap fill up above it, 436.96 to 437.29. But the hourlies are fading the 8-period moving average. Boy, I want to try a short. Small sellers over the last 12 minutes. ES. Target hit. And now I've got a free one. I'll leave it on. No, I guess I don't. Son of a bitch. 240 support. Got a $500 trade here. I think I was at 1,800. So I need 1,200 bucks on this, give or take. We're now down to 2,500. Below 2,500 net buyers. Next 2-minute bar should take this down. 75. All right, we now have 4 contracts on the trend bot. 75 should be next target. Maybe 77. Below that, we get 67. All right, we got $1,000 here. At about $1,400, I'll kill this trade because that's all I need. Come on, 13, 14, 35.70. 35.70. And another. That's it. Done. Back to back. Evaluations passed. Yesterday and today. I sent you guys the video after we left the room yesterday. Targets hit, guys, on ES, by the way. Nobody took the damn trade, but one yesterday, one today. Boom, chakalaka. It's over but the crying. Below 55, we come 25. Below 55, we come 25. They're selling them aggressively. We're coming to yesterday's close at 48. Waiting on the next 2-minute bar. Down to 1,700 buyers. They've sold 1,600 contracts, fellas. ES, if it breaks below 43.98, gets pummeled. NASDAQ should trade down to 40. NASDAQ should trade to 40. When do we get the next 3-minute bar? 12 seconds. I'm watching 2-minute and 3-minute bars here. You're not going anywhere. higher, fella. Could go to 78 and reject 78. If we break 55, it's over but the crying. I'll break that swing low at 57, 60. If this breaks that swing low at 60, it comes to 55. Going to go below 1,600 buyers. Small buyers in here. Come on, push down. Let's go. Push. There we go. There we go. Come on. Take that swing low there. Break 55 and kill yourself. Come down to 25. Below 1,500 buyers. Below 1,500 buyers. We're holding a small former buy zone in here. The 10-minute held the standard line on the cloud, but a break below 55 takes us 43, 44, which is VWAP, and then below that 25. You took ES? All right, good job, Patrick. We've got to get below 97-ish, and your target is 92. See if we can get a pull back to 98. All right, back into Powell does see a path to a reduction in inflation without a reduction in employment. Weren't they saying for eons that they wanted 6% unemployment? Yeah, Russell must have gotten tagged today because IWM is kind of crap the bed. I will look for SPY calls at 33.46 for tomorrow, or 432.76 also for tomorrow. I'll look for puts if we go to here, or especially 437. I will literally load the boat at 437 puts. Getting a bounce back up. Man, so close to that damn break. Look at how close we came to that break. At 55, we're going below 1,500 net buyers. They're going to sell them all back. SPY is breaking down. Q's on the 60-minute looks like it can come 360. NASDAQ's quasi hanging in there at 1056. Below 1,500 buyers. Going to go below 1,400. Let's undo this whole move. Got to break 55, guys. Or sell the up move back into initial resistance at 84 or 101. 80 is 240 minutes resistance. Small buyers petered in. Come on, go below 1,400. Guys, anybody not making money? It is 10:57. Is there anybody not making money? $50 buyers here. This is resistance here. Everybody green today? Okay. We could push up to 104 from here. Remember, this is just a 30 range chart. It's nothing. It's pushing 240-minute resistance. It's through. We could go 104. Here's Q's. Q's need to get above 64.53. Here comes crude inventory. Beat on crudes. Miss on distillates. Here comes 100 again. Give me a. You guys got to see this one. I did send you the video from yesterday. And the original bot finished down 175. Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions? Where's my damn chart? All right, fellas.